The Las Vegas Conrad Hotel. Let's talk about it. I'm gonna be honest with you. Upon opening the door, I was not impressed. It was nothing over the top. It was your typical hotel room. Nothing really stood out to me. Not even the bed, the view, the decor, nothing. As in all premium hotels, they had the gotcha snacks, the snacks that you pay an arm and a leg for if you choose to eat them. A very small refrigerator. It was hard to even fit bottled water into the refrigerator. I did appreciate the fact that they had USB ports and a wireless charger on the nightstand. The restroom itself was spacious. I appreciate the fact that it was well stocked with towels, soap, and other basic necessities. The toilet area was separate, which I like, as well as the shower being quite large. As you can see, this is plenty of room to have a very enjoyable shower. Overall, the room is just okay. It's nothing to write home about. It's a clean, decent place to lay your head. As always, we appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to click like, turn on your notifications, and subscribe.